Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrowed streets of cobblestone, neither halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light. It stripped the night and touched the sound of silence. Who said I do not know? Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words